Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Butler County in southwestern Ohio, Warren County in southwestern Ohio, Clinton County in southwestern Ohio, southwestern Clark County, Greene County, Montgomery County, southern Miami County, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:40 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Trotwood to near Trenton, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts.
Wow.
Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Dayton, Kettering, Middletown, Beaver Creek, Huber Heights, Fairborn, Mason, Xenia, Trotwood, Miamisburg, Lebanon, Springboro, Vandalia, Sharonville, Englewood, Wilmington, Monroe, Loveland, Franklin, and Springdale. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 26 and 47. Interstate 71 in Ohio between mile markers 20 and 61. Interstate 75 in Ohio between mile markers 18 and 64.